In this lecture, we introduce networking. We want to understand what a computer network is. We also want to understand its importance in our day-to-day life. A computer network basically is an interconnection of computers, meaning two or more computers are connected and talking to each other. This has been a growing field and it has attracted a lot of attention. Computer networks has been applied in so many aspects of our lives. For example, in business, we are able to advertise by means of computers which are connected together. In education, we are able to conduct research. We are able to gather information which is scattered on so many computers connected on our computer networks. In government, for communication purposes, even in our social life, for example, social networking sites such as Facebook has been enabled or because computers are connected together. Originally, the internet, that is an interconnection of computer networks. Remember, a network is computers connected together. Now, we get a collection of these computer networks and we form an internet. This originally in the 1980s was just a research project involving the United States Army. Today, this has grown and has become popular throughout the world. Despite the fact that computer networks are very popular around, we need to note the fact that it is a very complex field. The field of computer networking is complicated. The reasons for this complication include the following. The first reason for this complication is that this is an active field. And when something is active, when research is going on in a certain field, that makes it complicated. People are trying things, new inventions are coming in, and this makes it all complicated. The second reason for the complication is that there are so many technologies. Different organizations are coming up with different technologies for networking, and distinguishing one from the other tends to be difficult for a beginner. Someone beginning networking will find this a challenge. The third reason for the complexity is that these different technologies can be combined in so many ways. And when these are combined, we can't come up with a single underlying theory which we can use to describe or to explain the relation among these different parts. As we are going to see in later lectures, we have so many networking technologies, and because there are so many of them, it gives us an opportunity to explore and connect them in so many ways. The last reason which makes computer networking complicated is the lack of inconsistency in the field, and this produces another challenge for beginners. For example, there is no uniform terminology to describe networking concepts, and different groups come up with different terminologies. This tends to be complicated, or this tends to be confusing, because what might be a product in one technology may turn out to be a standard in another technology. Thanks for watching. This is where the video ends.